What up, everybody? You know what? It's me, for Bramanga, Mr. O Reaction. So, happen I'm sending you check everything Amanda. Then a root kid venda. You know, guess what, guys? I didn't even try to listen to his mini video he sent to me. I was like, no, man. I wanna try to listen to this song na msiri tomato pa. There's a diva vibe. They go to first the like take out of the poko tanga na mini ukweti ya mini ukwambanga mini. So this one is Root Kid Venda, a freestyle to Hospin, a B11R Chayo remix. Let's do it first because negotiable was bandandira. Root Kid Venda RKV, a freestyle to Hospin. Hey man, without any talking too much, and number general for the Woody, either way, Corona, and then the Diva Zori, the Ranga, the freestyle is the Root Kid. Let's go. And man, he was laughing at memes initially. I can't hear anything, so let's hope today I will hear something.
This is a rap base in my freaking head is where everything's gonna take place. Flow 2 sick, I've been rapping with no rap 8. I know running risks, but trust me, I'm on fast place. I body big bees, living producers in a set place. If you wanna fuck with me, that shit ain't safe. Flow too strong, because in that earthquake, I got niggas thinking rap game was my best place. Man, goddamn, I'm about to do something that's gonna make all you rappers start feeling like I'm not human.
You know,
that earthquake, I got niggas thinking rap game was my best place. Man, goddamn, I'm about to do something that's gonna make all you rappers start feeling like I'm not human. I'm about to go too fast, but we're too fast with the raps that I'm consuming. All these niggas that be hoping that I stop, but I won't stop. I keep resuming to hip hop. My rap I can never drop, but doing it could never miss a malume. I'm about to go insane.
And there's a song called Malume. There's a song called Malume which is coming, I'm sure, unless I don't post for them. So that's I'm sure like he loves that song so much.
I'm about to go insane. I drop hot about something I gotta maintain. They're so whack I won't say names. They really get me cause they know what my problem.
They're so whack I can't mention names. I can't say names. You, who could leave you?
Body go insane. I drop hot about something I gotta maintain. They're so whack I won't say names. They really get me cause they know what my problem in this rap game. This is a rap song. They used to think I'm a trapper, not realizing that they were met wrong. Yes, they were met wrong. I'm about to steal your girl like my name is Tristan.
I feel like no far.
Rap song. They used to think I'm a trapper, not realizing that they were met wrong. Yes, they were met wrong. I'm about to steal your girl like my name is Tristan.
Studio girl man like Christo. Do you feel any I do you have a matter to go better than what is no reference a song.
I'm a trapper, not realizing that they were met wrong. Yes, they were met wrong. I'm about to steal your girl like my name is Tristan. What about you wanna get him with it? If I'm gonna get up on your team, I'm going to tell my God. About the deepest of the let's get the one that I don't know about the full of my God. Yeah, about the full of my God. The music who can deep in the scene for the bird. And look at the book of
okay. Hey, for the board and like it's been some.
I'm gonna start like the enemy. When when it doesn't go about the me like I am the enemy to the winning and never go to the killer like the energy. Maran to the Ushipira by enemy. Tell him I'm the rap game Kennedy. How would you feel if you get a text saying you drop from your enemy? Shit is too crazy, you know, but they hate no choice cause they're fucking with the energy. Let me tell you about my darkest time. All these niggas used to criticize everything I wrote. That shit used to break me down, but I choose to stand up and rose. Whoa, they used to say that I'm whack. They used to say that I'm trash and they hit me bad, but I had no choice. I had to get up and give them my best again. Yo, RK freaking V, what up, my G? I hope you're good. I got another question that I gotta ask you, but first of all, how does it feel to be you? Huh? You getting famous lately? Are you even getting paid? Are you even getting laid? A lot of people wanna be your friends. How do you know who's real or fake? First of all, don't be coming with your stupid ass question, acting like you really know me. I don't pretend I'm 2 times through. You can ask my homies. Less friends, more bands. That's how it actually goes to me. Lead raps, more fans. The whole world go be knowing me soon. Yeah, they gonna know me soon. How many rappers do you know who can press the bar like I do? My only competition is the moon. Yeah.
My only competition is the moon. Like I want to reach the moon, man. My only competition is the moon. Like I wanna go. Come on. My only competition is the moon. Like who do you know that drop the bars like me? My only competition is the moon. Like, hey man, the only competition I have right now is to reach the moon. Like when people say I wanna reach the ceiling, or reach the moon, like that's the only competition that I have right now. Nice one.
I'm on my way, I'm paving my way for all of these rappers, but they hating. I got billion bars on my savings. I eat That's to feed my cravings. I got a question, do you know who can actually rap like me? Flow yaga yo besa dangerous single man pira na jiri cha HIV. Worry I worry ma. 9040 ma. So that to horn. From rap up pero relax and the best salon.
Like for the best alone, like you go to the amber. There's no need for me to like explain it. You go to the amber.
That to horn. From rap up pero relax and the best salon. Shit. Yeah. It's RKVR. Oh man. You know what it is, man. Yeah. One more time. It's RKVR. Yeah. Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it. Marikima. Yeah. Marikima. If I don't make it to say tomorrow, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. If I don't make it to say tomorrow, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I'm over.
You know, I thought it was gonna bring another like such a like a Bella ciao. Hey, but no. Like I just hoped that he was gonna do that.
Ben Hobson is gonna say this, man. Shit. Bella ciao to that.
Bella ciao, bella ciao. I think the song is done. I don't think it's coming back. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Yeah, that was Rootkid Van. That's a freestyle to Hobson, Triangle Bella Ciao, and remix. I bet it's one of the songs that he love. Kaka nyimbo za Hobson, but hey, Kaka Hobson is your condo na ngona ngufuna rufia nufuna rufia. But hey man, I'll be kaya zori focus kaya zona zori shit. Nani for program game Mr. Brishindi bafuna ngamanda, and I hope you enjoyed this reaction. And hey man, basongo subscribe, basongo like, and basongo comment. As never go comment as one is one of the what to deal nazo tere. Nani for program game Mr. Brishindi, and I'm out.